Okay, good morning po dear parents. Explain ko lang po yung lesson ng mga grade 4 about perimeter, no? Pag sinabi po kasi perimeter, ito yung pagsukat ng distance ng mga edges ng isang figure. Halimbawa po nito, meron tayong figure po dito ng triangle, mga quadrilateral tulad ng rhombus, parallelogram, at saka trapezoid. So, dito unahin natin paano natin nakukuha. No? Review lang po ito, na-discuss na to sa mga bata. Paano yung pagkuha ng perimeter ng isang triangle. So, meron po tayo ditong isosceles triangle na may sukat na 4 cm yung isang side, 4 cm yung other one, then 5 cm yung sa ilalim. So, ano po yung formula? So, sa pagkuha ng perimeter ng triangle, kailangan natin makuha yung sukat ng side 1, side 2, and side 3. So, hence, yung side 1 natin, ito pong 4 cm plus yung side 2, yung 5 cm, and then, the side 3 is yung 4 cm. Any order naman po. Then, you are going to add them all. So, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So, the total perimeter for this isosceles triangle is 13 cm. Yun po sa pagkuha ng perimeter ng triangle. Again, review lang po ito. Then, for the rhombus naman po, since a rhombus or square, it has 4 equal sides. So, kung meron kayo nakita na isang number lang dito, tapos napapaisip kayo na wala po dito, meaning rhombus po siya. Ibig sabihin, all the sides of this rhombus has 5 cm. That's why our formula is 4 multiplied by side. So, yung side ng ating rhombus ay 5 cm. I-multiply it po natin ito by 4. So, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 cm. So, yun naman po ang perimeter for rhombus. Then, for the parallelogram, parallelogram. So, the parallelogram, it has two pairs parallel sides. So, ibig sabihin, yung dalawang sides niya, parehas yung sukat. Then, yung isang side, parehas din yung sukat. So, that's why we use this formula. 2 times length plus 2 times width. So, constant po yung 2. Lagi po yan. Okay, so, paano natin po isusulat? Ito po yung length, yung 6 cm. Then, ito po yung width, yung 4 cm. So, let's compute. So, open parenthesis, 2, multiply it by length. Again, yung length natin is 6 cm plus open parenthesis 2 multiply it by width. Yung width po natin is 4 cm. Then let's multiply. So 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. Tapos, bring down plus. Then, dito tayo sa huli. 2 multiplied by 4 cm is equal to 8 cm. Then, for our last step, we are going to add 12 plus 8. So, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 cm. And that is the perimeter for the parallelogram. Okay? And then, for the trapezoid, we know that trapezoid it only have one pair parallel side. So, ibig sabihin, isang pares lang ng side ang magkaparehas. Tapos, yung sa taas, iba ang size nito kumpara sa baba. That's why we have this kind of formula. So, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. So, hence, this is our side 1, side 2, side 3, and side 4. So, sulat natin. So, for our side 1, we have the 2 cm. Then, plus side 2, which is 5 cm. Then, for our side 3, we have our 7 cm. And for the last side, we have the 5 cm. Okay. So, now let's do the addition. So, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So, the total perimeter for this trapezoid is 19 centimeter. Okay, so ganun po yung pagkuha ng mga perimeter, no po? Okay, so that's our review muna. Then, ito po yung mga nakaraang lessons po natin. So, composite po tayo. When we say composite po, just like what I draw here, when we say composite, ito yung pinagsamang dalawang shape para magkaroon ng isang bagong shape. Halimbawa, meron tayo ditong dalawang shape which is dalawang triangle. Nakabuo tayo ng square or rhombus. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng pag-combine ng dalawang triangle. Okay. So, ano po yung tinatawag nilang shared side? Ito yung shared side nila. Itong broken line na to. Ito yung ito yung way para magdikit yung dalawang shape. Okay. Which is yung length niya is 6 cm. Ngayon, paano natin sasagutin ito for our in our learning activity sheet na binigay ko sa inyo kahapon? For number 1, what is the perimeter of just one separate triangle? Okay, isang triangle lang. Ano daw ang perimeter ng isang triangle? Ito lang po, no? Okay, yung one separate triangle. Okay, so let's go back to the formula for the triangle or getting the perimeter of the triangle. So the formula of getting the perimeter of triangle is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Okay? Yung isang triangle lang po ang pinag-usapan natin, no? Then, so what is the value of side 1? This is our side 1, which is 5 cm. Plus, what is the value of side 2? Which is 6 cm, yung ating shared side. Okay, 6 cm yung natin, yung side 2. Then, for our side 3, we have 5 cm. Then, just like what we did earlier, ipagpa-plus po natin itong tatlo. So, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So, the perimeter of one separate triangle is 16 cm. Okay? So, katulad yan ng activity number 1, no? Iba lang yung nasa number para, okay, hindi naman magmumukhang binigay ko yung sagot. Okay? Then, ito yung tanong. Which length side is the inner shared side? Ano yung inner shared side? Ito po yun. Itong nasa gitna, yung broken line. Okay? Yung 6 cm. So, ang sagot is yung length niya is 6 cm. Okay? Then, now, we are going now to calculate the perimeter ng rhombus o yung composite rhombus. Okay? In getting the perimeter of composite rhombus, we are going to compute the outer side. So, hindi na included itong inner shared side. No, ito lang. Okay? Ulit, ano po yung formula for our rhombus? So, the formula for our rhombus is we have perimeter is equal to 4 times side. Bakit po 4 times side ulit? Kasi all the sides are equal. So, kung ano ang sukat ng isang side, parehas lang dito, dito, dito. That's why we are going to multiply it by 4. Now, again, what is the value of value of side? So, the value of side is 5 cm. Then, multiply it by 4. So, what is the total perimeter of the composite rhombus? The total perimeter of the composite rhombus is 4 times 5 is equal to 20 centimeter. And that is the answer. Okay, for your activity number 1. Okay, for your activity number 2, you have 2 exercises. So the first one, you have house shape activity. So in getting the perimeter of this house shape, you are going to compute all the sides. Okay, so how many sides it has? Let's count. Okay, so sorry, namatay yung video. Again, in getting the perimeter for this house-like shape, we are going to count all the sides. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So so meaning we have 5 different sides. So yung formula natin is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5. Okay. So, meaning, yung 5 sides ito, no? Now, for our first side, we have, the side 1 is the 3 centimeter plus the side 2 is 3 centimeter again. Then for our side 3, we have 4 centimeter. For our side 4, 3 centimeter again. And plus the last side, which is side 5, 3 centimeter. Okay. So now this is our value. The value of side 1 is 3 centimeter. Value of side 2 is 3 centimeter. Side 3, 4 centimeter. Then side 4, 3 centimeter. And for the last side, which is the side 5, is 3 centimeter. Now we are going to compute them all by doing addition. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. So the total perimeter for this house-like shape is 16 centimeter. Ayan, 16 centimeter po siya, no? Okay. Naku, dahan-dahan. Okay, so and that is the answer for this first activity. But if you are asking, nasan naman po yung shirt size niya? Wala pong value dito. Pero hindi naman tinatanong doon sa activity ninyo, pero baka meron magtanong sa inyo, ano yung value nitong broken line na to? So, 'di ba, sa parallelogram, we have two parallel sides. Okay? So, ito parehas dito. So, ito dapat parehas doon. So, meaning, kung ano ang value nito sa parallelogram, ito rin ang value dito. So, 4 cm. Okay? Yan yung shared size, side nila. Okay? Then, for the last one, this is a composite trapezoid, no? This composite trapezoid composed of two general quadrilateral. Okay? So, just like we did in the first activity, which is the house-like shape, we have this trapezoid. So, let's count the sides of this trapezoid. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, we have 6 sides for our trapezoid. Okay, in getting the perimeter, so we have this kind of formula. So, perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5 and side 6. So we have 6 sides. So what is the value of first side? So the value of first side is 2 centimeter plus side 2, 2 centimeter plus side 3, 5 centimeter plus side 4, 4 centimeter plus side 5, 4 centimeter again plus side 6, 5 centimeter. Now, let's get the sum of these 6 sides by doing addition. So, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. So, the total perimeter of this trapezoid is 22 centimeter. Okay, so that is the answer. So, 22 centimeter. Okay? Then, if you are asking also kung ano yung shared, inner shared side niya, ito po yon yung 4 centimeter. Pero again, hindi naman to kailangan sa activity ninyo kasi hindi naman ito tinatanong. Ito lang ang tinatanong niya, no? So, again, this is the way of how to get the perimeter of a composite figures or objects. Thank you. I hope nakatulong.